What's up, guys? Well, this is this 028 Wood Boss. She needs some loving. She's low on compression and pretty beat up. She's an oldie but a goodie. But we're gonna get her tore down, and we got a rebuild kit for it. I think it was 31 or $2 off of eBay, and we're going to show you what comes in the package. Alright guys, got a little unboxing video for you. This is a rebuild kit for a Stihl 028 Wood Boss. It's got low compression right now. It's missing some parts. Needs cleaned up really bad. But let's just see what all we get in here. There's a cylinder, piston rings, base gasket, exhaust muffler gasket, new fuel line, even give you a fancy new spark plug. I think this kit online on eBay was $34 compared to $140 for OEM, something along them lines. Some new slides, fuel filter, bearing, piston, got some circlips, see what these ports look like on here. She's pretty ugly. Let's see if you can see on here. Oh yeah, they're pretty nasty. She's gonna need some major cleaning. Yeah, we're just doing it so that you guys can get a better idea of what kind of quality you can expect from one of these cheap kits. I mean, if you want to do the extra legwork and clean up these ports, and piston doesn't look horrible. I'm sure for your average Joe to, you know, go out and buck a couple cords of firewood a year with one of these kits, I don't think you'd have any trouble. But these exhaust ports and intake really just need to be, they need cleaned up pretty bad, pretty horrible. But just something to look at, something to think about if you're thinking about ordering a rebuild kit. I don't know how it's going to run, you know, how they're going to work out, but I also ordered a carburetor kit. And what else did that come with? Carburetor, air filter. I think it came with another fuel line and a couple other things. But anyway, just gives you kind of an idea of what to expect when you order one of these kits. I know they show you a picture of it, but sometimes you just never know what's going to become in the actual box. But something to think about. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.